Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a bushel of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun.
Christmas Eve, Alexa. And as y'all have already saw, I cut up some Kaneka sausages and we are going over to my older sister's house, and well actually the kids are doing a pajammy-jam, what is it? A Christmas Eve pajama-jam party, pretty much. And the adults have been tasked to bring your most favorite dish, and I wasn't gonna make no meatloaf or no pork chops. So I resulted to what I'm gonna show y'all. So anyway, babe, he is making, which I'm so excited for, some chicken nachos. What did you call them? Yo,
Double decker chicken nachos.
Double decker.
Sean's famous double decker chicken nachos.
Y'all heard the man. Okay, y'all heard him. But anyway, so yeah, that's I am also making these sausages kind of different, and I think I'm gonna show y'all. I don't know, I might show y'all what's really good. So let's just say it involves brown sugar and cream cheese. I said what I said. So I already got my brown sugar from Publix. So this is gonna be pretty. Okay, so you probably hearing my husband finishing his nachos, but we did Secret Santa this year with the family, and my person that I got her some wine. Her name is Rose, so I thought that this was really, really cute, and it smelled good. It's Rose and I'm gonna say Lang Lang. Caress Rose and Lang Lang oil, and this does smell really good. Got some chocolates, because who doesn't like chocolate during the holidays? Cute little fuzzy sponge to go with her body wash. And these. This is so freaking dope. The shape, the color. Yeah, I need to go back and get one. Paired with the wine. So I'm just about to wrap this stuff up. And he's gonna choose this one. It's very cute. Gold, black, and silver. This one. Wow,
well, at the end of that, I did pick
this
out.
is so beautiful. Like, y'all can't even see how beautiful this looks. Oh my god.
I'm gonna go with best rap present.
Yeah, you probably will get the best rap present.
Ooh.
So yeah, you put it face down first, and then you're gonna take the back. This feels so good. This is actually a pajama night party because, again, like I said, the kids are putting this on. I think I'm just gonna wear my Winnie the Pooh pajama set. Pretty sure my top is already hanging up in my closet, so I just want to have it out so I can just go ahead and put it on when I'm ready. These are the fleece pants. And then I have just a regular red tank top to go underneath it. And then here we go. All right, so it says, oh bother, anyone that knows me, okay? Y'all know I love me some Winnie the Pooh. Period. I love Winnie the Pooh, okay? Y'all, look at this. This looks amazing. These are his famous chicken nachos, y'all. Can you see? Oh my gosh. And all the surprise, the homemade chips and chicken is underneath. Oh my gosh. Baby, you gotta do it yourself again. I washed my hair and it's been in 2 puff balls on the side for 2 days now. So what I'm doing is just spraying the base with water. And I have this 100% pure castor oil for hair, skin, and nails. It is pale pressed and it's all natural. And I'm just gonna transfer my puff from where I just had it to now the top of my head.
Let's go, Tigers! Ooh-wee.
So I'm just taking my trusty, never dusty silk scarf and just gonna wrap it up on the base here, just because my hair gets very frizzy. So I'm just trying to lay all that frizz down. Y'all, so this is this is my finished look. If I go back to the bathroom lighting, bam. Ooh. So your girl looks like Winnie the Pooh. So I try to give people their privacy, especially going to other people's house. So I'm gonna try to vlog just a little bit here and there. I'm going to leave on my bandana just because it matches my colors. Yeah.
You talking about real nigga shit. Yeah. What you know about real nigga shit? I'ma die for my family and sit in the pen. Fuck you mean I'm as real as it gets. She just got her hair done and she sent me a pic.
You're not supposed to be back here nowhere in the weekend. Watch the baby.
It is Christmas Day and I just got back from my in-laws house. We had some very good food. Ooh, it's so bright. We just got back to the house from my in-laws house and you already see what Tiggy Dog is doing. But oh my gosh, they made some fish, shrimp, and grits, and it was just so delicious, and potatoes and stuff. Oh my god, just so good. So yeah, we're just chilling, about to, I don't know, probably watch movies. But I really hope that you guys are enjoying this video and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are new here. Yeah. I ain't saying bye just yet because the family is coming over tonight. I don't know where it's on at. You know where it's at? All right, so I'll see you guys later on tonight.
And jingle bells somewhere in the frosty air. Jingle bell, bell, jingle bell, 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 bell,
Say please. All right, hold on. Hold on. Come on, go to your food. Go to your food. Tiggy Dog like his steak. Rain Dog. Oh my god. How your antler on your neck, bro? Let me fix this. vegetables in there. And I'm just gonna start putting the, you know, the regular seasoning, of course, the mayonnaise, the relish, mustard, like black pepper, onion, Lowry's, okay, garlic powder, and these two are going on the top, paprika and cilantro. This one, I don't think. Alright, so now I have the deviled eggs in the refrigerator so that they can chill some more. Look at the little reindeer.